Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice English Vlog. So today it's a morning time. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So today I got up at 5:30 a.m. Then I had shower. Then I did some pranayam. Then now it's time to do yoga like Surya Namaskar. So today in this video we will practice English while doing yoga. So I will show you all the steps of Surya Namaskar. You have to copy these all the steps, okay, and learn and practice English. So let me place the camera first, then we will do Surya Namaskar. So before doing Surya Namaskar, you have to warm up your body. That's very important because in winter season first warm up your body. So first warm up your body, then do Surya Namaskar, because Surya Namaskar actually it has 12 steps. Okay, so you it takes like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, if we do it in a slowly. So first warm up your body in a winter season. Also in a summer season you have to warm up your body a little bit, but in winter season you have to warm up your body just for 5 minutes, because in winter your muscle have some stiffness. So first open your muscle, warm up your body. So I will I will tell you, I will show you the simple steps how to warm up your body in a morning time. Okay, so stand like this and do first jump like this like this. So you have to raise your hand like this and your feet. When you do like this, so your right hand in forward position, like. So when you forward this, you have to leave. You have to back this right leg. This. Then this one is very popular. Do you know? Okay. So now I have warmed up my body. I'm bending a little bit. Now it's time to do Surya Namaskar. 12 step. Okay. So first stand like this straight. Okay. And don't close your feet. Okay. Don't meet your feet like this. Just make a little bit gap in your feet. Fold your hand and like this. And now next step, lean back. Now lean forward. Now take your left leg back and open your chest. Now this one. Now touch your chest and knee on the floor. Okay. And up. Take your left leg forward and open the chest. Back to the lean back. Forward leg. Like this. So my friend, this is Surya Namaskar 12 step. So if you do Surya Namaskar, not every day, but after 1 day or 2 days in a week, I will definitely sure you will feel different. your body your body will feel relaxed, and you will feel very light. So every day do Surya Namaskar first. Start with 10 set, then slowly increase, then slowly increase your time and sets. Okay, so Surya Namaskar is the whole body exercise. Okay, you don't need to do any kind of other exercise if you are doing Surya Namaskar. So I do Surya Namaskar every day, but sometime I actually miss it. Okay, I give some gap, like 1 or 2 days gap, because in that gap actually I do some other stretching exercise. Okay, but Surya Namaskar is the my best exercise in the morning time, winter, summer, in every season, because I feel light. Okay, and my body feel like my muscle body actually I feel like a strength in my body. Okay, and we can say I also feel like more hungry. Okay, so Surya Namaskar is the best exercise in every morning. So when you do Surya Namaskar, so there is some word to you can learn in English, like lean back, पीछे झुकना, lean forward, take your right leg back, take your right leg forward. Okay, fold your hand. Okay, so some kind of words, English word you can learn while doing Surya Namaskar. So I hope you will do Surya Namaskar, and also practice English while doing Surya Namaskar. Okay, just speak when you do Surya Namaskar. Just speak like this: I am doing Surya Namaskar like this. I'm folding my hand. I'm leaning back, leaning forward. So you can practice English at home while doing exercise Surya Namaskar. So this is all the video. This is all about the video today video. I hope you will understand. I hope you will do exercise every day, because these days exercise is very important in these lifestyle, nowadays lifestyle. Okay, so keep smiling, keep practicing, and always fit, always be fit and fit your body with exercise.